Hello everyone! In this video, we will crochet a small orange jewelry. It's divided into two parts, small citrus and small green leaves. Magic ring. Wrap the yarn around the pinky first. Then pull up. Bypass index finger. Pinch the yarn with your middle finger and thumb. Then wrap a loop around the hand. Follow me and pinch the intersections of the yarns with your fingers. The crochet thread is wound around the loop on the finger. Everyone pay attention. The yarn in the left hand should not be stretched too tightly. Otherwise, it is not easy to crochet. So pull the loop a little bigger, like this. Then crochet. Wrap the yarn around the loop on the crochet. Like this. A chain stitch is complete. Remember not to close the loop too tightly. Then crochet a single crochet. Crochet through the loop of the hand. Yarn pull out, wrap and rewind. Pull through the two loops on the crochet. The first stitch is crocheted. Put a marker on it. Like this. The first loop involves crocheting a total of 6 single crochets. So we're going to crochet the second one. The fourth one. The fifth one. The sixth one. You can count the number. There are 6 single crochets in total. Pull this thread tight. So we're going to crochet a second round. Mark buckle off. Next, we need to crochet a slip stitch in the first stitch. Crochet winding goes directly through both loops. The slip stitch is complete. Crochet another chain stitch. After the chain stitch is completed, let's crochet the first single crochet. Install the marked buckle when you're done. Like this. In the second round, we're going to crochet increases. That is, crochet 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Next, we crochet another single crochet in the same stitch. An increase is completed. The second round needs to be crocheted with 6 increases. We repeat the operation more than 5 times. Just crochet them one by one. Now is the last increase. After completing the 6 increases, destination position crochet a slip stitch. Then pull it tight. Crochet another chain stitch. There are 12 stitches in total in the second round, the next third and fourth rounds. Each round is crocheted with 12 single crochets in sequence. Let's crochet. Don't forget to mark the first single crochet. And here we are, crocheting on the 4th round. Stuff the excess yarn into the oranges. The last round is 6 decreases. Let me demonstrate the crochet method with decrease. Take a look at these 2 stitches. Decrease is to combine 2 single crochets into 1 single crochet. Crochet through the outer half of the first stitch, through the outer half of the second stitch. Add decrease. So let me show you. Through the outer half of the first stitch. Continue through the outer half of the second stitch. There are now 3 loops on the crochet. Then the yarn is wound and pulled over the first 2 loops. Then wind the yarn and pull it through the remaining 2 loops. A decrease is complete. Mark it well. Next, there are 5 more decreases. Just crochet them one by one. Here's the last decrease left. Okay, after the 6 decreases are completed, crochet a slip stitch in the first stitch. Cut yarn. Leave a thread of about 10 centimeters. Pull it directly. Then put in some fiber fill. You don't need to put too much. After putting in the fiber fill, we can wrap it up. Pick up the outer half of the stitch with the suture stitch. Connect it in sequence. Finally, tighten the yarn. Like this. Then hide the extra line. The remaining yarn can be cut directly. You can also stuff it into a doll. Now let's sew the cross sign on the little orange. Everyone follow me. sewing, you can cut off the excess thread. Also hide the threads. So the little orange is done. Isn't it very cute? Next, we crochet this, a small green leaf. Tie a slip knot first. Everyone follow me. That's it. Through crochet. Also wrap the yarn around the left hand. Pinch the slip knot in place, and then we crochet 5 chain stitches. The crochet method of the chain stitch will not be explained too much here. Just do it with me. So the 5 chain stitches are crocheted, and then, second to last, crochet a slip stitch. Everyone do it with me. So the slip stitch is crocheted. Then crochet a single crochet in the next stitch. After the single crochet is crocheted, we then crochet a half double crochet in the next stitch. Crochet winding first, then pass through the next stitch. Crochet to pull the thread out. There are now 3 loops on the crochet. Then wind the yarn. Go through these 3 loops in sequence. In this way, half double crochet is crocheted. Then crochet a single crochet at the last stitch, or a slip stitch will do. We crochet a slip stitch here. Finally, crochet a chain stitch. Cut the yarn. Pull the yarn directly over. And then we hide the yarn. Hide the yarn on the back of the leaf with a suture needle. Then the excess yarn is cut directly. So the little green leaf is done. Then glue the small orange and the small green leaves together. I'm going to demonstrate it now. Take out the glue stick. If you have a glue gun at home, then use a glue gun. If not, you can also use a lighter instead. Glue them together. Be careful to press it. It's glued together. Our little headgear is ready. Go glue it to your doll.